lefty Daniel Norris will take the mound. Makes his second career start after a September call-up last year. He made his first opening day roster.
Strikeout, another changeup. We're seeing that a lot from these young pitchers for the Blue Jays. They have a lot of confidence in that changeup.
That's one thing they wanted to master while they were in the minor leagues. Master the changeup. You can see Daniel Norris tucks that ball deep in his fingers, and that throws off the timing of Alex Rodriguez.
How about that backdoor breaking ball? A couple of strikeouts for Daniel Norris. CC Sabathia set the tone. Daniel Norris followed pace. Get the running game defense. Changeup and another strikeout.
They've never seen Norris before, so they're trying to get a gauge on what he throws. A walk.
How about that inside fastball? Couple more strikeouts. 2 strikeouts in each of the first 2 innings. Changeup. How about that? Russell Martin thought there were 3 outs, and Norris was right on top of it. Norris knew that was only the second out of the inning. Martin was on his way to the dugout, and Norris broke to cover home.
Heads up play by young Daniel Norris. Watch this. It's a changeup, and that locks up Chase Headley. Russell thinks it's 3 outs. He starts towards the dugout. And watch Daniel Norris saying, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute.
That's a pop-up. Wind is blowing it around. Travis stays with it, makes the catch, and Daniel Norris gets out of it. He jammed him with that fastball. Easy hop for Donaldson. 2 down. And after he hits Chris Young, Norris is out of the game.